Good morning, everyone.
Morning!
Maayong buntag. Anybody here who does? Wow, beautiful people. These are from Bohol. Everybody's from Bohol, right? Beautiful. I would like to ask before feel good this afternoon. I always feel, and the space is like really curated. As an architect, it is always important for me to have that kind of feel, no? Um, the idea of what alam is. Hindi mo siya na. Dili na ito i-meet na ito. We welcome our guests in our tugaran. We play in our tugaran. We work in our tugaran. And we gather in our tugaran. So, the average Filipinos in the place. Again, that was not the intention, right? The most of 5-step towers, all of the aesthetics that we wanted to create to make it very accessible to us Filipinos are Property Guru Philippine Property Awards. Again, it goes back to the intention. As I said, never in our mind that we will create a building that will be award-winning. I think you all know what Balay Helena is. I think, and the main reason why you are here actually is for Balay Helena. Just to give you a heads up, actually, when we planned Balay Helena, nauna man ikang Cordova actually. No, a little earlier than Cordova, but we made sure there's a lot of concept that came up with Balay Helena. So we wanted to provide a project in Bohol that is really worth the Bolanons' attention. No? So we came up with Balay Helena. And Balay Helena is a fully complemented community. It has a neighborhood shop, neighborhood arcade in front. And it has a vertical village composed of 3 towers. Architect Loverly Sarte, who is from Bohol herself, no? Who is better to explain a project in Bohol, a balay in Bohol, than a Bolanon herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to